इंस्ट्रक्शन दिया गया है कोर्ट की तरफ से?
देखिए, since many days we are witnessing widespread violence throughout the whole state of West Bengal, especially in the district of Murshidabad. We are witnessing their lives are just being taken away, properties are being vandalized, vehicles are being vandalized by a particular communal party. And we are witnessing a very black day in the West Bengal. So for this, the leader of the opposition in the West Bengal, Mr. Subhendu Adhikari, has filed this public interest litigation, praying for deployment of central force and also an NIA investigation and also an investigation by an agency. Now, a special bench has been constituted by the Honorable Chief Justice on this day, and after hearing and after considering the urgency involved in this case, the division bench of my Lord Justice Shomen Sen and my Lord Justice Raja Basu Chaudhary has directed that deployment of central force must be made immediately in the district of Murshidabad, but such direction will not be limited to any other district where violence is cropped up. And the state authorities, state administration will assist the central force so that, or to ensure that no lives and no property is being vandalized or hampered or infringed in any way. Now this matter, this PIL has been admitted by the Honorable High Court, and this PIL will be returnable on next week, 17th of April, where the state and the central both will file their respective affidavits disclosing their stand.
There are two appointed nodal officers, especially for Murshidabad.
It could not be here in open court. We'll have to wait for that uploading of the order. But so far as we could hear, that central forces have been deployed, considering this emergent urgency in this case, and we will wait for the uploading of the order to see other observations of the Honorable.